traffic, Seminole 319, Alpha Uniform, turning left base, runway 3150.
Roscoe traffic, 57 pop, 3 to the northwest, will be left downwind 36.
Alright, landing check, fuel pump on, mixture rich, prop forward. Gears coming down.
Traffic, Seminole 319, Alpha Uniform, turning final, runway 31 full, stop 50.
Gears down green. Taxiing traffic, we're going to look out for.
Atmore traffic, Solo 811, touch and goes runway 36, Atmore traffic.
We are left base.
There's runway.
Roscoe traffic, 57 pop, left downwind 36.
Gears down, fuel pumps on, mixture rich, prop forward. Fuel tank is where we want it.
Enterprise traffic,
Navy traffic.
2,000 feet, we are 6 miles to the southwest, inbound
Notch
low,
one.
runway 5, Enterprise. Pavement traffic, Bolo 02 Golf is practice power off landing, and we're in the downwind for runway 08. Okay.
Atmore traffic, Warrior 55151, I'm in the left downwind of runway 36.
Notch 2.
Touch and go, Atmore traffic.
Woods Wing, short final 36, that's what that one. Andalusia traffic, Scott 1588 Victor, left cross on runway 29 departing to South Andalusia.
Roscoe traffic, 57 pop, final 36.
Atmore traffic, Bolo 058,
Full
turning
flaps.
left crosswind, runway 36, touch and go, Atmore.
Atmore traffic, Warrior 55151, turning left base of runway 36, touch and go, Atmore
3 green,
traffic.
short final.
Atmore traffic, Solo 811, wave off, go around, remain in this pattern, Atmore traffic.
Pavement traffic, Bolo 57 Golf, 6 miles east, inbound, downwind 08, Pavement traffic, Bolo 02 Golf, on the left base for runway 08, touch and go.
All right.